What's up, everyone? I hope everyone is good. And today my video is about how skills to become a Facebook ads professional, expert, pro, or you better call as a master in Facebook ads. So, whatever you like to call. In this video, I'm going to teach you the skills you need to become a Facebook professional, advertiser, or Facebook expert marketer. So let's get started on this. But before I start, I want to tell you that I am a Google Ads expert, I'm a Bing Ads expert, I'm a Facebook Meta Ads certified advertising professional, and I own a Google partner company, and we provide various digital marketing solutions. So let's back coming to the topic on the skills you need to become a Facebook Ads pro. So I know that the word pro sounds very cool and you are very curious to know on how you can become. So let's get started without wasting any further time. I'm going to show you on skills you need to become a master. So let me show you, one of an account here like this. You can see this account, like again, a case studies like this, mastering conversations like this, or post engagements, or marketing this. So the question is how you can see like these things on your account and how you can be a pro. So I'm going to teach you a few things over here, as to become a Facebook master. The first thing, I believe that you need to have to become a Facebook certified, Facebook professional or ads professional expert is, I believe that understanding your competitors. Okay, in case you can use Facebook shared library, or tools like what's run where. Again, it's a paid tool, so slightly costing on this. Okay, but tools like these going to help you in becoming in understanding your competitors, or a manual, even a better is, or a manual review of your competitor Facebook pages. So you get an idea on what kind of ad they're promoting, how they're promoting it. So even in case if you continuously browse their pages, eventually Google will start showing you their ads in thinking that you like their product or service. So you can get an idea on how they're advertising, what kind of a post they are using, what is their USP. Are they working more with the generating leads, generating messages, or they are doing post engagements? Are they running carousel ads, or are they sending traffic to their website? So what is their goal? You can try to understand. So the thing as a marketer, as an expert, is to understand. Doing the competitive analysis is very important, very important. The second thing is to optimize your own landing page, Facebook page, or your product USP. Okay, the product USP means why you. It's the grammatical way is unique selling proposition. But here I like to tell you that why you. Why not your competitors? What special you are offering which your competitors are not offering? You need a very strong reason on why people you should buy your product or service rather than buying your competitors. So are you a generated well aware brand? If you're not a brand and then trying to become brand, so then you have to offer something exceptionally well, which forces the user or a buyer to see that this is the best offer I need to buy in the market. So that is also the part of your marketing strategy. Okay, apart from this, once you're done with this, I believe that the Facebook audience targeting tool is very good. Okay, this tool gave a tough time to Google Ads, and Google had to improve and work a lot on the Google key display marketing based on the data they receive from Facebook audience targeting tool. That is very good tool, and you need to use well aware. You need to define your you need to work hard on defining your age groups, like defining age group, gender, interest, target market, location, uh, salary, devices. Facebook offers a lot of functions over here, and you need to keep in mind these things and make up with something like that. You need to understand your age group, of which age group you are targeting while running ads. You need to understand the gender, you need to understand the interest, target location, salary, I mean, the device is average income. So I mean, there are so many things, Facebook is offering, and you need to realize, okay, rather creating uh, big audience, create a small audience, small set of audiences, different audience. And what you have to do with them is do A/B testing. Okay, marketing is all about data. Okay, since marketing is all about data, so what you have to do is you have to do A/B testing. You have to do testing with your landing pages, with your words, with your text, with your buttons, with your audience segments. You need to do testing to see which one is working. Nobody got a working formula in a single day. It takes time and patience for any advertiser who is just willing to skip it out. Let me tell you that it takes time and patience to come up with something very good. So yeah, work on it, and then your next thing you can work is on creating or optimizing ad creation. Okay, ad creation is something, people take it lightly, but ad creation is something, which delivers curiosity in someone's mind about your product or service. Your ad should be able to put a message in your consumer's mind to think more about your product, or maybe to take an action to click on the link, so eventually they can land on your Facebook page or your website or your video or whatever you are trying to drive them, or to fill up a form. So ad creation also plays a huge role. And then the next part is about ad placement. Okay, by ad placement here, Facebook offers so many things. Facebook has their own audience network. You can advertise on Messenger. Okay, you can advertise on Instagram. You can advertise on feeds. You can advertise on sidebar. So I mean, there are so many options. So you need to work out closely on which part of the page or where your exact audience is lying, and you need to focus it out. So work closely again to look out on these things, because these things plays a huge role to determine how, or to figuring out, or I mean, work on these things so you can further optimize your campaign and get a successful result. And then again, after this, the next strategy is campaign management. Okay, here comes the part of understanding the campaign management. By campaign management, you are regularly seeing your ads, you are regularly seeing the CTR, and you are regularly seeing what is working well for you, where you are getting conversions, and you are regularly trying to come up with new offers, new products, new deals. You need something new every other day. As a marketer, you need to come up with something new, or something different. You can focus on creating event-based themes. For instance, event-based themes, like let me share, like event. There is a Halloween theme here coming here. You need to come up with a Halloween product or something like this. If it's a New Year celebrations, you need to come up with a New Year celebration, New Year deals, or your promotions, or something like this. So you need to work on these things, so that you can keep on engaging your visitors with something new, something attractive, something convincing. And that is how you are going to have yourself or your brand in their mind constantly. And then the next part is, I have been repeatedly telling over here, but I think that it needs a separate point, and that is reporting, analyzing, and analytical. Okay, there's another thing, and that is, which I forgot, and that is tracking. Okay, as a marketer, you need to understand how you can track your activities happening on your Facebook page, happening on your website. That is very important part of any marketing strategy. Even it's for Google ads, even it's for Bing ads, or even it's an offline strategy. You need to work closely on tracking your efforts, on whatever efforts you are doing, and how you are able to determine on what exactly is working for you and what exactly is not working for you. You need to keep all these things in the mind. And the next is reporting, analyzing that data which you are getting after tracking, which you are getting after running ads. So because marketing is all about data, so work on these things. work on your reporting skills, work on your analyzing skills to see what is working for you, what is not working for you, and that is how you will be able to create a successful campaign on Facebook ads, and that is how you can become a successful Facebook ads expert. Okay, yeah, I tried to discuss in details regarding skills you need to become, or points I told you to become a successful marketer in Facebook or Meta ads. I hope you like my points, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss another video from us. And if you want to hire us for your marketing needs, the details are in the description. Once again, thank you and bye bye.